Hi there, I'm Yanni with WTI. And if you're looking for a nice anniversary gift or wedding shower gift for a couple, this is a fantastic option. I actually got this myself as an anniversary gift, and my husband and I really like it. We enjoy drinking wine, and we find that this set right here, made by ImpiriLux, it's honestly such a beautiful set of glasses. So you get two glasses in the set, one that says king and the other one that says queen. Pretty self-explanatory, who's for who. I really enjoy the size. They're not too big, not too small, so they're just the perfect size for some wine or cider. They're absolutely beautiful. I also love the package. It comes in a beautiful box. Like I said, it's literally perfect for a gift. The quality is beautiful as well. We have used this quite a bit, and I put them in the dishwasher all the time. The writing, the engraving on it, it's still intact. It hasn't faded or chipped away. It looks just like the first day. So if you're looking for a really nice set of wine glasses, either for yourself or as a gift, this is a great option. They're beautiful, but they're also really sturdy and durable. So I think you're definitely going to enjoy sipping wine out of these beautiful glasses. But that's just my point of view.